How's it going today, guys? So today I'm going to start editing the video that I took a couple weeks ago on my Hyundai Genesis Coupe. So basically I bought the car for $3,000. What I'm using to fund it was I sold my 2007 Mustang. It was the V6. It was a salvage. It ran good. I got $5,000 for it. So basically that money is what I'm using to fund this project. And I got a pretty good deal on this car. It only has 58,000 miles. It's the manual transmission. And I mean, to go from a 2007 to a 2012, it's a pretty good deal. The big thing is though, is we have to make sure we do everything right and no half-assing and stuff like that. So right now the car is it's at the body shop that my dad works at. My dad paints cars, so that is a big benefit for me because I'm not gonna have to pay for paint or anything like that. And that is that's one of the big costs when you're rebuilding a car. And so right now one of my dad's co-workers is doing the pulls on the car, basically realigning everything, the hood, the passenger door, and the bumper reinforcement was pushed down, so he has to realign that as well. I have some pictures of it at the shop for you guys. I have some other video of us working on it, putting the reinforcement on, stuff like that. And so yeah, when I get the project done, I'll start making videos on the total cost, because it is going to cost more than the $5,000 we have right now. And then who knows, maybe we could flip it, maybe I'll keep it. I do like it, so we'll see how it goes. See you guys next time. Alright, so I wanted to record some video today of my car. It's 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8, the track edition. I got this car for $3,000. We're gonna start working on it today, so I just wanted to show you guys what's wrong with it. So obviously it needs a fender, as you can tell. The radiator support, radiator, both headlights, airbox, it's cracked on the tube. The engine, almost everything's fine on the engine. We shouldn't need to do much to the engine. It only has 58,000 miles on it, so it's pretty new. Then I'll pull the hood down. The hood needs to be replaced. So this is what the whole front clip of the car looks like. Yeah, pretty bad condition, no bump or anything. As you can see right here, I have the replacement radiator support already. It's $350, pretty expensive, but it's OEM. Here's the other fender. As you can see, we're probably going to need to replace that. It's probably not going to be able to be fixed. Here's the driver's side of the car. Here's the rear. Obviously tail light, bumper. Other tail light, and as you can see, the support's pushed down on this side, and so it's going to have to be pulled back up. The muffler's bent in. I don't know if you can see it really well from here. Does need a lot of work, but we've already got most of the parts. There's a front bumper, the rear bumper. Obviously the front's aftermarket. The rear's OEM off of a 2013, I believe it is. They both need paint, obviously, but we'll get to that later. I have another air box right here. Still waiting on the tube. There's a fan under it. The condenser. The radiator. And I'll make another video talking about where I got all the parts and stuff. Explain how much it's costing to rebuild it all and everything like that, but I just wanted to make a quick video to show the parts, what we have right now, because we're going to start working on it tonight. These are the lights that came with the car. I don't really like them. As you can see, they have the LEDs and all that, but they kind of look cheap as hell to me, in my opinion. Here's the other one. It looks like someone rigged them up themselves to me, honestly. They might have. So I bought some stock ones. They're obviously aftermarket, but we can deal with that. Got them for $100. When I called Hyundai, they wanted $900 for each headlight just because they had the HIDs. And I was not gonna pay that much for them. I'll show you guys the inside of the car. So as you can see, it's pretty clean. I think it was sold by Copart to the guy that I bought it from, so it was in a dirt lot. 6-speed manual. The car starts up and runs, but I wouldn't recommend starting it up with the radiator how it is. Overall, the inside's clean though.
Fleslet on the beat.
On the car. We did some more work last night, so I just wanted to show you guys. Making progress, still got a long ways to go, but I just wanted to let you guys check it out and see where we're at right now. Alright, so as you can see, we got the radiator support on. Everything fit perfectly so far. We didn't have any trouble. We filled up the radiator and the car starts up now and runs good. We taped up the air box for now just so we could start it up without anything getting in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and show you guys how it sounds.